Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about leadership and what kind of a culture is really a culture that would be long-lasting and profitable. So let's go. Your company culture should be a safe bubble or a vehicle for personal development and growth, including yourself. And you have to allow people to grow and use their own brain and be creative. The mindset to have is to have a mindset of people can grow, people can learn, people can get better, including yourself. It isn't about you, it's about a place where people can grow and become more. And if you allow people to grow and become more, you'll have a very, very good culture and a very valuable team. But you have to make sure that you keep out some things in the culture so people will grow. If you think of mistakes as being bad, that's a mindset of, hey, people can't grow, we gotta hide stuff. And you shame people for making mistakes. Then what happens in your culture is your people come in wondering, who am I gonna get today? Which boss am I gonna get? Am I gonna get the loving, encouraging boss? Or am I gonna get the boss that shames, gets mad, ridicules me in front of other people? So if you have in your culture a culture of shame, a culture of blame, a culture of ridicule, it's going to squelch personal growth and development, because those are very painful emotional responses. It's painful to have to hear that. So it will stifle creativity. So as a leader, what you should do is hire people that are smarter than yourself. The company isn't about you, it's about your team. You are a linking pin that connects parts of the company together, and you're there to serve the people. And really, you just become a coach and you serve them. And then they grow and they become more. And you support that process. It isn't about your great ideas, it's about them performing. So to wrap this up, here's what I would suggest you do. Build a culture where everybody in the company culture sees vulnerability as a strength. Vulnerability is, hey, I can become more. It's okay if I try something and it doesn't work. I can become more and grow. So if everybody values vulnerability as a strength in your culture, everybody's going to be willing to take risk and grow. Because if you think of vulnerability as a weakness, and you have this mindset that says, I have to protect my image, I'm good, I have to validate myself, you won't ever try anything new, yourself as a leader, and your people won't. So you gotta build this mindset of, hey, it's okay to be vulnerable. It's okay to go out and make mistakes. Let's just learn from them. Hey, I hope this video helped you today. God bless.